Hey guys, this is just a quick rough guide to how to remove a early Westfalia sink. Two screws holding on from this bracket here to there. You can access them from below if they're nutted on with a bottle nut. And then behind you can see one screw there, one screw there, and they were just here and here. And then the toughest part is you're supposed to remove the screws here, lift that up so you can get this off. These are rusted on, so I didn't want to do that. And then the drainage pipes here, cut them through that hole. That's the tough part. It weighs a fair old bit, but then it is full of water, so I have to drain that, make it a bit lighter. Yeah, as you can see, they don't have to leave a lot of mess. So there you go. Yeah, I'm going to be replacing the floor, or doing what I can with it for as little money as possible. But yeah, next is the removal of the buddy seat. Yeah, I might do a proper step by step with that. I'm not too sure on that. Okay, just a quick one. Just thought I'd let you know I couldn't see anything online with how to remove these, so just a quick guide.